Greetings, Earthling. Today I'm going to show you how to replace an air filter on an 85 Maxim. That's a Yamaha Maxim 1985. So this is a 700. Technically by the specs it's actually 696 cubic centimeters. So first thing we want to do, take our key. Okay, now we can get rid of the saddle. Well, I already took off the side covers. They go down here on the outside of the battery casing. And here's our air breather assembly and our air filter housing assembly. So we're going to need to get this off and kind of move the tank over a little bit. Okay, we're going to use our ratchet wrench here, our 12mm ratchet wrench, and we're going to take this off. Loosen it up. And set that aside. And then we're going to just simply move the tank over a little bit. That should be good. Okay, that should be good enough to get to what we need to get to. This part here, you can just take that off. Set that aside. And first off, what you want to do, see this little piece right here? It's an air intake. You want to take your flathead screwdriver, just kind of pry around on the outside here, and you want to take that off. And that just pulls right up, just like that. Now you'll see that we have a screw here and a screw here, and way down there we have a screw as well. But these two screws we're going to take out completely, but this one up here we're only going to loosen just a little bit, because if you unthread that all the way, it's going to be a real bear to try to get it back in, even if you have a magnetic screwdriver. So what it'll do, it'll slide in and out like that once we get these two screws off. One screw. Set that aside. And then come unthread it a little bit more. Screw number 2. As you'll see, it'll just pop up and slide out. That one might need to come out just a little bit more. but not all the way. You see, it'll just notch right in there. Now we'll get the housing cover back. Here's our air filter. Note the way that we take it out is where we're going to be putting the old one back in. We have our tabs near the top that indicates, of course, top and bottom, that indicates that smells like gas. Here we're going to get our brand new air filter. Get her out of the package. Now, of course, here's our new air filter. Okay, the trick here is going to be lining up this peg here with this little channel slot underneath the air cooler or intake. So it's going to be like that. The trick is trying to get it in there and hold the camera at the same time. That was the hardest part of the job, is getting all that stuff lined up. Now we just put everything back. Put our little air intake. Snap that back down. Don't be afraid to give it a little bit of a push. Goes, snaps right back into place. Take our mount bushing, put that back into place. Things are back where they're supposed to. Take our battery cover, line it up with the little snaps. One. And that's two. Line up our seat. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Is that easy? Take our key out. It's been a week since you've been started, so I'm going to run full choke. I'm not getting the green signal, so apparently it's not neutral. There we go. Once you get going, just ease off of the choke. Set our choke about halfway. And we'll yo-yo back and forth on the RPM here. And that is how you change the air filter.